How to fix error code 19, Windows cannot start this hardware device on Windows 11 or Windows 10. To fix error code 19, Windows cannot start this hardware device on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Try 1. Restart your computer. 2. Remove recently installed driver, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, or revert back any recent changes made to the driver. 3. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro, then reinstall device driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this guide. 4. Run hardware and device troubleshooter, run msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command in command prompt as administration. 5. Delete the upper filters. And lower filters registry values in 436E967E325111CABFC108002B10318 key at H key _ local _ machine / system / current control set / control / class. 6. Perform system restore.